Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What the really? Bro, you did that shit. You did that shit to me. What the man? What the man? Why? Why, man? You're goddamn wrong. You cut me off and then you cut me off first, man. What the What do you mean, man? You cut me off first. You bruh.
تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها بإذن ربهم تحيتهم فيها سلام. ألم تر كيف ضرب الله.
Driving on the road.
Oh hell yeah, buddy. He don't even.
Randy, is this you?
Yeah. Now he knows it's blown out. He's got his headers on passage.
Watch out, Jesus Christ.
Oh. He's on the rim, big dog. That's probably a
Sides,
that's a stolen truck. He's He shrank the rim down to half the size. I love it. Here you go. 0.5 start now. Whoa! Don't run into him. I'm not gonna! I can't believe we're going. It's like so. I just been thinking. Hey, dumbass. Yeah.
Holy shit, dude. Are you f***ing kidding me? Oh.
some aerobic exercise in. Oh my God. There is really a great product. Download TikTok and shop now.
Oh my God.
Christ!
Oh my.
Oh my God! Oh! Holy dude, what the?
Dude, what
Okay,
the?
wait, you pull over, get out of the intersection.
Okay.
In half a mile, use the second from the right lane to take exit 264 for Daniel Payne Drive.
Free. Pilcher's throat constricted around her reply. Freedom had been...
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.